You can fill any shape you have drawn in Adobe Illustrator with a photograph or other object by using a clipping mask. Clipping mask may seem confusing if you have never used this feature before. There are two important things to remember before applying a clipping mask. First, the shape has to be above the image. Secondly, only the shape and the image can be selected. If the shape is below the image or if any other object are selected, the clipping mask will not work. So guys, you are watching Design Marks, and in this video I am going to show you how to use a clipping mask and how to fit any photo into the object. So let's begin. First of all guys, launch Adobe Illustrator in your PC. I already opened it. Just create a new file by pressing Ctrl N on the keyboard. Like this. Friends, if you already have a document containing the shape you want to fill with an image, open it by pressing Ctrl O on the keyboard. But this time I just take ready-made shape. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbox. Alternatively, select the rounded rectangle tool, ellipse tool, polygon tool, or star tool. But this time I take rounded rectangle tool. Drag this tool across the canvas to draw a shape. So this is our shape. Now I have to put a photo on it. Click the file menu and select place. Guys, navigate to an image on your computer you want to use and click the place button. I take this image. Just select image. Press right click. Select arrange. Then send back to put the image beneath the shape. Drag the direct selection tool over the image and the shape so they are both selected. Alternatively, if there are no other object on the canvas, just press Ctrl A on the keyboard to select both objects. Click the object menu, select clipping mask and click make. The shape is filled with the image. Any portion of the image that was outside of the shape is clipped away. See friends, our clipping mask is done. We can adjust the image after clipping mask with using direct selection tool or selection tool like this. I hope you have enjoyed and learned this video. So keep connecting with me. I will back soon with the new tutorial. Thanks for watching.